Welcome to episode 1 of our Guided Meditation for Beginners series. I'm glad you've decided to take this first step towards a calmer and more mindful life. In today's session, we'll explore the basics of mindfulness, helping you to stay present and connected with yourself. This simple practice is a great way to reduce stress, improve focus, and find inner peace. So find a quiet, comfortable place to sit, and let's begin this journey together. Pause. Take a moment to settle in, allowing your body to relax and your mind to let go of any distractions. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. Breathing exercise. Start by bringing your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm as you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. There's no need to change anything, just observe the flow of your breath. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils and the warm air leaving your body. Pause. With each inhale, imagine drawing in calm and peace. With each exhale, let go of any stress or tension. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. It's okay if this happens. Just observe your thoughts without judgment and return your attention to your breathing. Pause. Continue this pattern for a few more breaths, feeling the sensation of your body relaxing more and more with each exhale. Body scan. Now let's move our awareness through the body, starting at the top of your head. Notice any areas of tension or tightness. As you breathe in, imagine sending your breath to these areas, and as you breathe out, release any tension you're holding there. Pause. Bring your focus to your forehead and eyes. Let them soften and relax. Now move down to your cheeks, your jaw, and your neck. If you notice any tightness, allow it to melt away with each breath. Pause. Shift your attention to your shoulders. Feel them drop away from your ears as you exhale. Continue down to your arms, hands, and fingers. Feel a sense of lightness and relaxation spreading through them. Pause. Now bring your awareness to your chest and abdomen. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Feel the air filling your lungs and nourishing your body. Pause. Move down to your hips, thighs, knees, and legs. Release any tension you find. Finally, focus on your feet, feeling the ground supporting you, anchoring you to the present moment. Mindfulness moment. Take a moment to just sit with your breath and your body. There's nowhere to go, nothing to do. Just be here in this moment. If any thoughts or feelings arise, acknowledge them and gently let them pass. You are simply an observer, at peace with yourself and the world around you. Pause. Remember, mindfulness is about bringing your full attention to the present moment without judgment. It's okay to have thoughts, just notice them and let them go, like clouds passing through the sky. Them and let them go, like clouds passing through the sky. Conclusion and next steps. As we come to the end of this session, take one last deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel now compared to when we started. This sense of calm and presence is always available to you, no matter how busy life gets. Pause. In our next episode, we'll explore a guided visualization to deepen your meditation practice. Until then, take this sense of peace with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a session. See you tomorrow for episode 2.